Hello everyone, this is CM Dinesh, Assistant Professor at Department of Mechanical Engineering. Let us see about the first unit of Mechatronics, which is handled in the final year 7th semester. Unit 1, Introduction, Sensor and Transducer. Let's see the first topic in the Unit 1. Multidisciplinary scenario, evaluation of mechatronics, design of mechatronic systems, objectives, advantages and disadvantages of mechatronics. These are all carried out in the introduction session. And transducer and sensor. In the transducer and sensor, definition and classification of transducer, difference between the transducer and sensor, define and classification of sensor, principle of working and application of light sensor, proximities, switches and Hall effect sensor. These will be handled in the transducer and sensor section. The first introduction is the mechatronics is a concept of Japanese origin. In 1970, the term mechatronics copied by Testino Mori, the defined as an application of electronics and computer technology to control the motion of mechanical systems. The mechanism and the electronics. The mechanism, the first few 5 letters of mecha, and then electronics. In the electronics word, tronics, the mecha and tronics has mingled the term called mechatronics. This is the name definition for this mechatronics. The multidisciplinary approach to produce and manufacturing system design. It involves application of electrical, mechanical control and computer engineering to develop products, process and system with a greater flexibility, easy in redesign and the ability of reprogramming. And these are all the block diagram for the mechatronic systems. First one is mechanics and electronics and control system software. These carries the outer periphery of the systems, and by integrating the mechanics and the software is a CAD/CAM, and integrating mechanics and electronics is a electromechanics, and then electronics with control is a control circuits, and the software with control as a digital control. And all the 4 things has been carried out by system modeling, sensor, microcontroller and simulation are all the third integration of the systems. And finally, the final integration is called mingled all the documents, all the systems is called mechatronics. This is the core diagram of the mechatronics systems. For example of predominantly mechanical device, which is ball valve act as a over tank in all household device. It is a ball valve. The valve is floated on the upper portion of the water in the tank, overhead tank, while the water will be filling in the tank. The ball valve will be closes automatically because the ball is floated on the surface of the water level. The ball valve has connected with the pipe which is inlet of the water tank. And second one is bimetallic strip. It is used for heating purpose. By heating the coil, it will blended, and while come its atmospheric temperature, the coil will be retain its original position. And next, some of the examples are domestic washing machine and installations such as airbags. Passenger automobile are equipped with safety as installations such as airbag, parking proximity sensor, anti-theft electronic keys, autofocus, auto expose cameras. These are all the mechatronic system which is handled in the car. The red line which mark as the controller, and the pink is electrical, and blue is hydraulic and pneumatic systems which is handled in the all the engines, and then green is mechanics, and finally orange is thermal circuits which is handled in the car. Similarly, in the washing machine also, these are all the systems which is used in the washing machine. Similarly, control systems and electronic systems, hydraulics and pneumatic systems, mechanics and thermal has been carried out in these washing machine circuits. And also the engine assembly, the main engine systems is handled nowadays. Many of the components has been electronics by using mechatronic systems in the engine management systems. These are all the introduction for the mechatronics system for the unit 1. Is there any doubt in these videos? Kindly contact me. This is CM Dinesh signing off. Thank you.